Hi there! Don't know how to create shadow after booting the subject? No worry at all. I'll show you the perfect way to do that right now. First, you have to cut out the subject with the background. Here, I already did it. Layer 1 copy is the subject that I separated from the background. Duplicate it with Ctrl or Command J. We will turn layer 1 copy into black. To do that, use hue saturation adjustment by pressing Ctrl or Command U and decrease all the lightness to -100. Turn off top layer to see what you have done. Now, edit Perspective Warp. Make sure to choose Layout. Draw two rectangular shapes just like this to create perspective. Switch to Warp tool. Now, you choose the middle points, click and drag it to bring this black layer hit to the wall just like the shadow. Adjust the point until you're satisfied with the result. As you can see, after adjust these points, they are still on vertical lines and match with the table. This helps to make the shadow realistic. Confirm when you're done. Adjust the opacity to 55%, add motion blur to it. Filter, blur, motion blur. Set the values at below, angle 20 degrees and distance 35 pixels. Add layer mask to it and pick up gradient tool. Select white to black preset. Click and drag to create a line. This will make the shadow gradually fade. Alright, now you did know how to create shadow in Photoshop. If you like Photoshop and photograph just like SADESIGN and you want to get more and more tips, techniques, experience from us, make sure to subscribe our channel to simply clicking the subscribe button, and you will get tons of free tutorials that SADESIGN share about Photoshop technique on a daily basis.